Okay, hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and film a quick little intro to the video because the intro of the video I look a little crusty and I just want to come on here a little bit more presentable. But in today's entrepreneur life video, I am going to be showing you guys the process of me packaging my new product that just released. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get straight into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another entrepreneur life video, and in today's video I'm going to be packaging up some orders. I just released a new product in my collection for Lavish Curls Beauty. If you guys didn't know, I have a natural hair care line where I make healthy hair growth products for your hair, and I just released my second product the other day. So I'm going to be packaging up some orders and showing you guys some new stuff that I got for the business. I have new envelopes for bubble mailers, so they look like this. They're hot pink, and these I believe are 8 by 10, so this is for like the hair butters for when I need a bigger packaging. And I also have business cards included in each order now, and I got these from Staples. You can do same day pickup and get yours right away. I got 250 business cards for only like $14.99 with tax $16. So they just look like this. They were ready in the same day. I designed them myself, so I will have a video soon on how to make business cards. If you guys are interested in that, just comment down below and let me know. But yeah, this is the business cards right here. The very first thing I'm going to be doing is printing out my labels, and if you guys didn't know, I do use a Dymo printer to print my labels, and that will be linked in my Amazon store below. All my business essentials are in the Amazon store, so like the envelopes I get, the bubble mailers, the labels, all that stuff is in my Amazon store to make it easier on you guys to find. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and print out these labels, and then I will get into packaging everything like that. So I already basically have out the bubble mailers that I'm going to need for each order, and I already placed the products out, so they're just all on the bed right now. And this is the new butter. This is the twisting growth butter, so that's why I did get a bigger packaging now for it. So this is the packaging for it, so it could fit in there. And then this is still the packaging for the hair growth oil because it's smaller. So yeah, I do have different sizes now, so that I'm not worried about things being, you know, too small. So I'm going to go ahead and print these labels out, and then you guys are going to watch me package and get everything prepared for shipping tomorrow. Today is Sunday, so I'm going to ship out my items on Monday. And you guys know I always like to do my little boomerangs on my actual Lavish Curls business Instagram page, just giving people behind the scenes, letting them know that orders are being prepared and going to be going out tomorrow. And in case you guys are wondering, the format for the labels are always going to be a 4 by 6 inch label. And then on your computer, when the label pops up, it's going to have like all the printing information, and you always want to make sure that the paper size is a 4 by 6 inches because that's the size of your Dymo label. So you want to make sure everything is added up, and I leave the scale at 100% so that it all fits into the label and you can read it. That has never happened where like extra came out. It's so weird. And then, like I said, I always make sure I get some behind the scenes photos in because that's perfect for Instagram. People like to see your process, your growth, all those things. It helps out your business. And Shopify is sometimes annoying. Like they'll always have like a message popping up saying there's a problem loading this page. Like from my experience with Shopify, sometimes they have like issues with loading stuff, and then also like sometimes when you're trying to edit stuff the options that you need won't come up. And so recently, I forgot to tell you guys, I purchased an iPad for Lavish Curls as well, so that I can pretty much do all my Shopify like editing. If I need to add a product to the website or anything, I do it all on here because it's just faster and easier. So like, I just realized that wherever this customer lives, the shipping is more expensive. It's like $1 more expensive to ship to them than like what I've experienced with other customers, and the price I put it at only covers some of the shipping. So I just took a note that when I go back into Shopify to edit shipping for this specific state, that I need to charge a little bit higher, because now I gotta pay a difference. So, but I only have to pay like $1 difference. But yeah, for some places the shipping will cost more, of course, you guys know that. But this is in the United States and it costs more, so I'm gonna keep a note of that to charge a little bit more for shipping for this specific area. Because I charge $3.50 for shipping, and it's saying that it's going to charge the customer, or charge me, like $4 and something cents for shipping. So that's why I'm saying like it's going to cost me a little bit to ship. Kind of just setting everything up as I go, make it easier for me. Alright. And I could just print all the labels at once, but I do like to go one by one just to make sure there's no errors like with the customer's shipping address or anything like that. So I just feel like it's very important to double check everything, especially in the beginning when your business is small. You kind of have the time to go in and check things. And then oh, see, so like for this, the mango twisting growth butter, I forgot to do it for that order. The packaging is different, so it's not my usual. I have to put in the other one. So for shipping, it will ask you like what package you're sending it in, like what's the dimensions of it, and I have put it in my computer, like the dimensions, but for some reason it's not showing up when I'm trying to do it right now. So I'm just double checking on here to see what's going on. Like, I have it saved, so I don't know what. I think it's doing the computer error thinking like it's not showing as an option. I'm gonna see if it shows when I'm on the iPad, because if so, I'm gonna try to find a way to connect my iPad to the Dymo. And like I said, just do everything from the iPad, because for some reason the computer does weird stuff. Yeah, it's the computer. When I go to it on the iPad and I select to find the different package options, they all come up. When I try to select it on the computer, it doesn't let me select it. This is why I can't stand Shopify on the computer. Shopify only works good like on the iPad or on the phone. So yeah, I need to figure out how to connect my Dyno to my iPad, and then I will finish everything up. I'm gonna just do it manually and put in add package, because I don't have time to try to figure out how to do that right now. That's why I said having the iPad is so helpful, because then you know like it's this messing up and not like, you know, it's the website messing up on the MacBook and not that you didn't input something, you know. See, now when I just try to add it, it says there's already a package with these dimensions. Well, duh, but you guys aren't giving me the option to select it. This is so stupid. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna come back, because I'm not in a rush. I'm not shipping these out till tomorrow. I'm gonna come back and figure out how to connect my Dymo to my iPad, so that I can just ship things out easier, because I'm so done with using Shopify on the computer. Like, it's so annoying, so I'm gonna figure it out because I want everything to be correct. Okay, so I basically finished packaging up all the orders. I got myself together for the day, and yeah guys, that's pretty much the process. I had to go back in and manually just put in the dimensions so I could print it from the computer, because there's no way for me to figure out right now how to like connect the Dymo to an iPad, because it's the kind where it has a USB to plug it in, and of course an iPad doesn't have a USB port. So yeah, I just had to do it manually, which was super annoying. Like I said, the Shopify website messes up a lot, but yeah, I just did it manually. I put in the dimensions and everything like that, and then I was able to ship out everything, or get the shipment details correct. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this entrepreneur life video. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Comment down below any video suggestions on entrepreneurship that you guys want to hear from me, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.